Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by confirming you can access the voicemail system. This saves time. Dial your voicemail now or open the visual voicemail app, then enter the current PIN when prompted. If you don't remember the PIN, use the carrier's account recovery on your phone or website. This is necessary before changing it. Once you're in, locate the Settings or Personal Options menu and choose the Change PIN or Password command so you can proceed to update it securely. Now you'll follow the in-system prompts to overwrite the old PIN. You'll first type the current PIN so the system verifies you are authorized. This step prevents unauthorized changes. Next, enter the new PIN and confirm it by entering it again. Many systems require 6 digits, so pick a mix that's memorable but not trivial. Make sure to save or confirm the change. If using visual voicemail, tap Save, and if using call prompts, wait for the confirmation tone or message. Finish by testing access immediately. Call your voicemail from the phone and from a different line, then log in with the new PIN. This confirms both the change and that your greeting plays correctly. If you can't log in, use the carrier's account recovery or reset PIN option, often available online or via customer support, because repeated wrong attempts can lock the mailbox. Make sure to record a brief greeting afterward, so callers know your mailbox is functional and secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.